Do you want to create a timer or a countdown timer based on the length of your timeline? I'll show you how in this quick tutorial. First, you're going to want to grab a background and put it on your timeline. And with that on your timeline, you're going to now want to go up to your Effects tab. And in your Effects tab, you're going to grab a Text Plus. And with that grab, we're going to put that above your timeline and stretch it out. From there, we're going to go over to our text box. And in the text box, we're going to get rid of the text itself, and we're going to right click and insert the time code. And with the time code inserted, you can now see that you have a counter on your background. So that counter is based on the length of your video. So how short the video is how long the counter will go for, or how long the video is, it will go for longer. If you want to actually make this a countdown, you're going to have to do that as a clip. So you're going to right click this and make it into a compound clip. And with that being a compound clip, you can name it whatever you want. We're going to go create, and from there we're going to go to the speed change in our text. We're going to want to reverse that, and when that is reversed, now you see that you have the full length of your video up on the screen, and when you play it back, it's now a countdown timer. And this is also based on how long your video clip is. If you want to change the look of this timer and you don't want to have all of these frame numbers and such in your timer, just go over to the text box area, and in there you have the Fusion settings. And once in the Fusion, you have the modifiers tab. In the modifiers tab, you can click hours, seconds, minutes, and frames. Just turn those off if you want. And then now you will see when you go back over to your edit tab, now all you have is minutes and seconds. So as you play it, it will now just play as a minute and seconds. That will work both on countdown and count up timer.